In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email to a board in monday.com. First, open monday.com in your browser and sign into your account. Use your usual workspace login and make sure you're in the right account if you manage more than one. If your company uses single sign-on, follow that usual flow. Once you're in, give the page a moment to fully load so all your boards and columns render correctly. Next, look to the left side of the screen and pick the board where you want to store email addresses. This is the vertical panel with your workspaces and boards listed. Click the board to open it. If you don't see the sidebar, hover near the edge or use the toggle to reveal it. You should now be looking at your board's table view with existing groups and columns. Now let's add the email column. Move your mouse to the far right of your column headers and click the plus icon to add a new column. If your board is wide and you can't see the plus icon, scroll horizontally until it appears. This button is your shortcut to adding new data types to your board. A column picker will open. In the search bar, type the word email. This helps filter the column types so you don't have to scroll through the full list. You're looking for the built-in email column type, which is designed to store clickable email addresses. When you see the email option, click it. Monday.com will insert a new email column to the right of your existing columns. You can drag it to reposition if needed, and you can rename the column header to something clear like contact email or client email so teammates instantly understand what belongs there. Finally, add your information. Click into any empty cell within the new email column and type the email address you want to store. Press enter to save it to that item. The cell will recognize valid email formatting, and once saved, the address becomes clickable, so you can quickly start a message using your default email client. If the interface offers an optional name or label alongside the address, use it to make the contact easier to recognize at a glance. That's all there is to it. You signed in, opened the right board, added a new column, searched for email, selected it, and then clicked into a cell to enter the address. As a quick tip, consider keeping your email column consistent across similar boards and using clear naming so your team can filter and report on it easily. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to add email addresses to any board with confidence.